Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's T. If this is the first time you're coming across my video or my content, consider hitting on my subscribe button. So guys, basically this is continuation of our village vlog. Welcome back again to another beautiful vlog. So as you can see, it's late already and we're kind of preparing what we are going to eat. My sister mother-in-law is there and I'm also there. In fact, I'm basically not doing anything. I'm just sitting down. So guys, this is the first time I am seeing making gari in the mortar, and I actually pounded this gari. God, you can come and see your baby girl pound it. Like I pounded it and I was so happy that I learned new things. That's why we keep learning every day. So this is actually my first time of experiencing making gari in the mortar, or is it inside the mortar? I don't know which English is correct. Then after that, you now have to pound it, and I find that pounding it makes it so soft and so good to pass through my sweet throat. So guys, welcome back again to another beautiful vlog of the year. Where am I staying? Where's the spot? So I'm done. We are done cooking. You can imagine me pounding gari in the mortar. Like this is the first time I'm pounding gari in the mortar. Like seeing anybody say people making gari in the mortar. Talk more of pounding in the mortar. So this is past 8:08 and this is when I want to have dinner. So the food is ready. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. So I'll just show you my food. Me, I'm eating gari. You understand? My sister is eating semosha and her husband. So me, I'm eating gari. Okay. So let me just show what I'm eating. Then just stay hooked to this vlog. This vlog. So this is my sister's semo. This is my own gari. We have collected it in a small plate so that they don't start fooling food for me that I don't want to eat. That this is our soup. Like, see guys, this is our soup. This is ogbono soup with, what's the name of that thing? Is it what? I don't know. So this is it. So just stay hooked. Let me show you my beautiful village vlog. I like this setting. I tell you, because don't say why I see this kind of setting inside the train and you get as a city girl. So just keep enjoying this vlog, guys. Okay. So guys, I've done eating for like 2 hours now. What's time now, safe? Let me see. Where's my wristwatch? My wristwatch is like it's off. Okay, just hold on. Let me just put it on. Oh, now, Pano, you won't embarrass yourself. Just hold on, let me put it on so we can see the time. Still on it. Samsung Galaxy Palav. It's still on it. Up and sleep, and we'll continue this vlog tomorrow morning. How many of you have issue with meat? Like me? Anytime I chew meat, I have issue because they'll just stick. No, my teeth is too joined together. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, I think I'll be ending this. Hey guys, good morning. This is another beautiful morning, and I think I'm done with my chores, with my mini chores. I think I've cleaned the room and I've swept. I've done everything basically. So me and my sister, or I and my sister, want to go and prepare spaghetti. What to give them international spaghetti you get. So you guys are going to be coming with us. My sister and her husband, they are talking there. So let's just go right away. Okay. I think there was one pastor that carried that was baiting his members in the church. Female members. Now they got him to death now. But me say I fit do now. You fit do. Before I go learn now. Guys, this is broom.
With this resin.
So if the shaping and finish, you can't leave me dry.
No.
We can use it and start sweeping.
This one is spray yourself.
My lord. Even the mass capla, they put everywhere.
For crying out loud, which kind of argument be this between husband and wife this morning?
I can never. I carry his picture, come put for my house.
You don't have my house, but I see this thing for your dog. I see one logo for your dog.
Let me put that one.
Now put that.
Our wife is cooking spaghetti. Oh boy. Anytime he said, who understand me? Pretty village girl. Still me, your village baby. Still that's your village baby. Okay. But I'm not Auntie Joy, the boy, you. I never knew you wanted me this way, Baba. Just for me. I forget the seven stuff. Because and then I can tell you that I can Nene, how are you? Ada. Ada fine girl. Yeah, Shemi Shabi. No one said I will go for you. What Jesus said, Father send me hurry. So guys, I'm done and why are they off camera? I'm not off. Anyways, guys, Jesus Christ, Jesus, na food bomba could they do? You don't know how to eat. Let me teach them. Jesus Christ. Guys, you know, when you're in the village, you behave like the village people. Boom. My sister ended up not making her hair. God. You see these village people, going from one salon to another. Nobody will. So, let me call you back, please. You shop. Choke. So, guys, my sister have to make my hair because, in fact, the one that the woman is doing herself, she's very slow. When I mean slow, as sluggish as snail. And my sister have to help them finish it. Guys, see now, what are you guys saying about my hair? Jesus Christ, see beauty. Who is calling me now? Kwano, hold on. See Bury, guys. See Bury. See Bury. Bury. This box bread that I've been craving for. Like, I don't know how to get the perfect hand package. But now this will go play. We go play. So, eating our spaghetti.
You need to taste this spaghetti.
Very nice. But this your big pot, I swear.
Party standard.
This your big pot go fear people.
This thing I pot, I didn't place it.
Plate pot, anyone? I don't know.
Bless some people and cook food. Now I still am travel. I said my grandma must go carry on the go.
So you look watch this video. They go say you said it.
To our YouTube channel,
Subscribe.
deeonojas.
Yeah. Comment. Like. Share. If you don't subscribe, I think you get. You get nothing. You get nothing. You get nothing. I never put edge control. So,
Huh?
guys, bye bye. Jesus Christ.